Hello, my name is Rebecca and I'm the Schools Project Lead here at the Mix in Stowmarket. The Schools Project is a youth social prescribing project. Basically, that means that we work with young people who might find it difficult to access things in their community. We're primarily based in high schools across Baber and Mid Suffolk District Council, and the project is in partnership with 4YP. We're currently in Stowmarket High School, Stow Upland High School, Thurston Community College, and then 4YP have their school in Holbrook. The work mostly entails working with young people on a one-to-one basis, so they get referred by pastoral leads, heads of years, other people within the school that feel that they need a little bit of extra help. We will work with them to start off with for about 6 weeks, seeing what we can do to help get them into other community-based support or other activities that they might want to try. It might be that they want to try something like horse riding, rock climbing. We have even had a request for skydiving before. I'm not sure we can quite promise that, but we'll certainly do our best. The other work that we can do group work, we can do lunchtime drop-ins, we can bring other activities within to the school, but primarily it is that one-to-one based working. We work sort of embedded in the schools themselves, so you'll see your youth worker, if you're in any of those high schools, you'll see the youth worker walking around as if they're one of the members of the staff in school. So if you do see them, give them a little friendly wave, because they're very friendly people. So you'll see Charlotte in Thurston, you'll see Ben in Stowmarket, you'll see Emma in Stow Upland, and you'll see Emily in Holbrook. So I've talked a little bit about what the team will do and who they are in each of your schools. Probably wondering, what do I do? Well, you might not necessarily see me based in your schools, but I help look after the team, make sure that they've got everything that they need, and then I oversee all the things that we need for all the important bits and pieces like reporting. So I'm based here at the Mix on a day-to-day basis, but you will perhaps see me pop up every now and again just to come and see what you're all up to and how things are going within the schools. Some of the sort of more recent success that we've had, or things that we really want to shout about, are things like our Wellbeing Festival that was put together by Emma in Stow Upland High School. This was a really good couple of days across the week with Stow Upland, where the week was planned looking at sort of how we can support young people's wellbeing and their safety whilst they're out and about over the summer holidays. A lot of the work that we do is based on the 5 ways to wellbeing, so we really want to try and highlight that and encapsulate that in everything that we do. This Wellbeing Festival was then brought in loads of different partners to come and talk about how you can look after yourselves. So partners from the sexual health team, we had the RNLI to come and talk about water safety. Youth workers from the Mix even came and delivered a session themselves around all things violence against women and girls related. This week was a really fantastic week that meant the students had an afternoon free from lessons. They were able to come and engage in those sessions. Hopefully they took something away from those sessions and there's something that they'll remember and can pass on their words of wisdom around wellbeing to anybody else that they see. So that's a little bit about youth social prescribing. If you have any other questions or want to know a little bit more information, please go to our website and get in contact and ask those questions. Bye!